Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi, this is Makeup by Nayanika and you are watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. So first you should apply some moisturizer and primer on your face to ensure that your makeup lasts longer. Now next you put on foundation. If you cannot find your perfect shade, you can always mix two different shades together. Now the best way to get a dewy look is to put in some illuminating moisturizer. Blend this out with a brush to get a more full coverage look. Use a concealer to brighten your under eye area and to also cover the dark circles. I like to mix in some illuminating moisturizer with this as well because that gives me an even more dewy look. I first like to blend this out with a brush and then with a damp beauty blender. To accentuate your features even more, you can contour your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose and your forehead. You can then blend this in with an angle brush. I'm then going to bronze all the contoured areas to get an even more bronze look. Bake the lower half of your face so your bronzer and your contour looks even more defined. I'm now going to add blush to the apples of my cheeks and nicely blend this all in. I'm then going to highlight all the high points of my face. Now brush off all the baking powder from the lower half of your face. Now next you will define your eyebrows by filling them in. Put on a nice warm brown color all over your crease and your eyelids and nicely blend it through. Then buff in a rust colored eyeshadow to your outer corners and nicely blend that through as well. Put on a rust gold shimmery color on your eyelid. For longer, thicker lashes, put on some eyelash primer followed by a mascara. For an even more dramatic look, put on some eyelashes to the outer corners. Finish up with a warm hued lipstick and a gloss to top it up. And that's it, you're done. I hope you like it.